Yeah, sure.
Mind your head.
Yeah, thanks. Oh, cool.
What do you want to know?
What do you call this?
A truck.
A truck? You call it a
Yeah.
truck? Nice.
It was a former German military truck.
1977. Yeah, the purpose was of protecting borders,
Mm.
and now it became an overland vehicle. Yeah, when we bought the truck, we started actually from scratch. So there was
Okay.
already a cabin on it, but everything was pretty shitty and rusty.
Mhm.
And so we had to start from scratch. And we built everything from the subframe on by ourselves. So the whole cabin is self-made, plus 12 square meters.
Mhm.
No idea in inches.
Yeah. And how many people live in here?
3.
2.5.
2.5.
2.5.
3. And how long have you lived in the truck?
3 years now.
3
Longer than
years?
3 years,
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you guys take it around the world, right? To other countries?
Looks like, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, basically the plan was driving down from Austria to New Zealand.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't come to New Zealand, only Australia. And it's the idea of extending the trip and move on.
How long in the United States?
Yeah, unfortunately only for 1.5 months.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, shitty visa regulations. You have to get out. But we're driving up to Canada, looping around Canada, and then coming back to the States and driving down to Mexico and down to South America. That's the kitchen area exactly. We have a automatic fridge. We have a automatic stove. Kitchen gear is in here. On the back, actually, that's all Lennox area. That's his favorite part. We have a tree in here. For the trip, he was 4, and he needed
It was too small
Yeah,
for
he-
climbing up, so we built the tree in here.
What are all these pictures?
That's all the pictures from our trip, actually. So from the beginning on, so you see pictures from Japan, Mongolia, Greece, well, Europe, Central Asia is a lot. Yeah, that's basically our first year in pictures.
It's a nice area. A lot of books.
Yeah, he's reading like hell.
Window outside. You can see the view.
That's basically our garage. So like a storage area, but predominantly tools, spare parts. The truck needs a lot of love for keeping him on the road. A shower, toilet, which we never use, so basically it became our storage area.
So right now your
It's brand new.
your
First
bathroom and your shower is a closet, like most people's buses.
one. Yeah.
Do you have solar power on the bus?
Yeah.
Or, call it a bus. I'm sorry.
No worries.
Power on the truck
Yeah, 500 watt.
in fresh water.
300. It's underneath here actually.
300 gallons.
No,
No,
liters.
liters.
So
300
that's
liters.
about
Gallons would be great.
75,
75. Okay.
I reckon.
Mhm.
Something like that. Yeah. Like the board computer and the diesel heater. Running out of space, and we've had to think about the solution for store the whole thing. That's
So what
massive. It's
size?
about
It's nearly 2 by 2.
2 by 1.60 meters. If you turn your camera, maybe that might be interesting for you.
Oh, okay.
We didn't actually start it yet. Well, that's a scratch map with pretty much the whole route we were driving. So it means like we started here in Europe and Austria. We're driving all the way down through Central Asia, across Siberia. From there we moved on to Korea, Japan, shipped down to Borneo, and we're driving island hopping in Indonesia. And then we looped around Australia, and now we arrived here in Los Angeles.
There's a neat map.
Motorbike up on the rear rack.
Oh yeah?
You want to see that actually?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah.
What year is it?
It's a 81 Honda.
Yeah.
Zweites ist jetzt auch noch.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Cool.
Papa.
You go on social media, or do you post pictures or
Yeah,
videos?
we're on Instagram and Facebook.
Where can people find you?
It's akela.world. That's our Instagram and Facebook.
I saw it on the side of the bus too, right?
Yeah.
Or on
Yeah,
the
that's
side
our
of the truck?
website actually, but you will find it as well.
Very cool. Well, thank you so much for letting me come inside and take some videos and pictures.
No worries.
You're welcome.
So, anything else you want to say to anybody?